Hello all, this is Matthew Berry with FunkyKit.com doing a unboxing of this R9 380 graphics card from Diamond Multimedia. I'll also have two other videos, a closer look and view of the card itself, and then a discussion of the installation process along with the performance against my current card, the R9 285X from Gigabyte. Reason why I'm going to compare it to that card there is because a lot of outlets are speaking about how this card is basically a rebadge of that card. So I just want to kind of see how well it would compare to that one, if it blows it out of the water, or just a little bit of that information there. So let's go ahead and get started on this video here. And the overall box color scheme is black, gray, and white with some red there. You got the Diamond Multimedia logo at the top left hand corner, Radeon graphics card written down the middle, below that stating which Radeon graphic card, which this is the R9 380 4GB GDDR5. Along with that, you have an AMD logo and stating that this is DirectX 12 compatible. Okay, in the bottom right hand corner we have another AMD logo. On each side we have written in red Diamond with a barcode on this side. That's on the left side. On the right side we have Diamond written across as well, and stating in the top on the left side that this is the Radeon R9 300 series, as part of the 300 series. Okay, guys, it's the same information is on this side, an AMD logo stating that it is part of the 300 series, and on the bottom shows the same as the top, except this one has some shipping and handling information and how to recycle. This is the green recycling that everybody's coming to, and where it's made, which this is made in China. On the back is where we get all the good information here about this card. We have stating again that this is part of the 300 series. The specification they show for each one of the 300 series, the 390X, the 390, and the 380. Okay, along the lines of the 380, the first information it gives is that this card is what type of power supply and the connector that you should have. You need at least a 500 watt, 275 watt, 6-pin connector. Okay, now they do make an adapter if you do not have it, but Diamond Multimedia suggests that you do not use that adapter. Okay, so if you can, try to update your power supply if you don't have the right one. This is the recommendation for this card. Written next to that, it states the Windows compatibility, which is it is Windows 10 compatible, also 8.1 and 764-bit. On to the right of that, you have the input ports and output ports. Okay, showing you which one. Now this does have the capabilities of having multiple ports. So it does have the Eyefinity, and which is basically, it's written across the bottom of this card, telling you what AMD technology this card comes with. I'll give you guys a little closer look of that. Okay, it has the AMD Eyefinity, the AMD HD 3D technology, True Audio, Zero Core technology, Power Tune technology, Mental API technology, and the new FreeSync technology. Written above that, you also have what type of display gaming that you're able to do. This can do extreme 4K gaming. Also, it has no stuttering, no tearing, just gaming. AMD FreeSync technology with AMD Liquid VR technology. This is the new card for this, the new Radeon R9 300 series. So it should have basically every feature that AMD is having now. It is, like I stated earlier, DirectX 12 compatible. Also, here's some warranty information. It does have a 1-year standard warranty with product registration, so that's once you register this card. All right, let's go ahead and open this baby up and kind of get a look at the card itself. All right. Let me get this back a little bit better here. All right. To open this card up, you just need to pull this flap out right here, and there's a cardboard box in the middle of it. Alright, once you got the cardboard box out of there, you just flip out this little patch right here, open it up. On the very top, you have the Diamond Multimedia software for the R9380. Also, a user manual to show you how to install it into your case, also how to run the software and get the correct drivers and things like that on there. Okay, here's a little bit how it opens up. It just, you keep on folding it and it becomes one large piece of paper. Alright, this is the user manual. Alright, underneath that you have the card itself, the what everybody, or what, you know, gets me excited anyways. It slides right out. Now, this is something I do want to go ahead and state. As you can tell earlier, you kind of might have heard it kind of bouncing around in there. I do not, I mean, this to me don't sound very, you know, I would have rather have been packed tightly more into a better case, so I don't really would not like my card bouncing up and around inside there. Okay, there was no damage on the card itself, but anyways, that's just a pet peeve of mine. I'd rather not be able to shake my product whenever, especially when using like FedEx and UPS. Those guys with their things, they're not very safe with their, you know, things that they're trying to get off and things like that. I would think anyways. It does have the static electricity bag, as you can see. Now I did go ahead and open it up and kind of check out the card, so you can see that. I'll go ahead and pull that card out and we'll take a look at this card. Alright, there we go. I'll set it right on that bag right there. Alright, here is the card. Alright, in the middle you have a red X with R9 at the top, Diamond written across the middle, and the 380 stating that this is a 380. Okay, each side up at the top left hand corner you have an AMD logo. I will have closer views and pictures on my closer look, and also this is part of the closer look video. Okay guys, it has fans here. Holding it up and down, it seems fairly, you know, solidly built. Here on this side here, you'll see the ports that this have. You got your HDMI and both DVD eyes and DLD eyes. Here you'll see that it has 5 heatsink pipes. Okay, you have, yeah. This other one's way below here. I knew there was 6 or 5. Alright, so you got 3 on the left hand side and 2 on the right. It's got 2 fans. The fins look really nice. It should have no problem cooling itself. And then you know, there's the back plate. You can take those screws off and you could pop up and check out the processor for this card. I probably will not do that with this, but anyways, I'll tell you how you can do it. Next part, I will do a video of the performance and basically state you know, all that good information there. There's where each pipe wind up coming through towards the heatsink pipes. Anyways, here's the card itself. Like I said, it feels fairly well made. Had the same color scheme as the box, white, gray, and black with the red, Diamond Multimedia's colors. Alright, the fans seem like they spin really well. Next video, like I said, I'll show basically how to install this card and then discuss the performance level of the card itself. Well, thank you for viewing this video. Make sure you check out funkykit.com, and really appreciate you guys checking this out. Thanks.